Hello YouTube, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel. And today, guys, I'm going to be reviewing, or in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Cobra Radar Detector RAD480i. And guys, watch this whole video because at the end of the video, I have instructions on my giveaway on how to enter it. So please enter the giveaway that I'm going to be doing on December 25th. Alrighty guys, so this is the Cobra RAD480i radar detector, and it's both a 2x range, reduces false alarms, and you got an app for it as well. Basically, this is a $160 radar detector or $150 radar detector that I got for free because as a truck driver, I collect TA and Petro Ultra 1 points, and I collected enough to buy this. So now guys, I'm just gonna simply open it. There you go, and there's a little tab here that I gotta remove. Okay, and now as you can see, I'm pulling it out. This radar detector, man, some nice packaging that they got. There you go, found a way. It's because they're sticky right here. Anyway, nice box. It's a Cobra. So, you get these instructions. You get this radar detector right here. Going to open up everything. Let's see here. There's got to be a way to open up everything. There you go. And here is the mount and the wire that you need to connect to your radar detector. Now let's open up the instructions and tell us what they read. So there's multiple ways to attach this, but the best way, in my opinion, to attach it is right on top of where, so you can see the instructions here. Best way to attach is right on top of the windshield mounting. So yeah, that's exactly right above the rear view mirror. There's dashboard mounting. I'm not gonna do dashboard mounting because it's best to put it on top. You get the signal from front to back of the car. I'm going to show you how later. And now guys, I am actually going to download the app. The app right here. That's what it's going to be, and it'll send me live alerts and everything like that. Right? Okay guys, so I got it installed running with my cigarette lighter. I got it installed through here. I usually like to put my radar detectors right over here, but this is a perfect spot, and I'm in a legal state. The only two places in the United States that you cannot have radar detectors, state of Virginia and Washington, D.C. So this is all perfectly legal. Just listen to this when I turn it on.
Testing.
There goes testing. Car battery good. I like that.
System ready.
Like, it even checks your car battery. Out of all things, you got the voltage for your car battery. So now I'm going to have to figure out how to use this all. So here we go. Okay guys, so immediately what I like, it's Bluetooth connected. That just disappeared. So basically you could see your speed on there, and you could see your speed limit and everything like that once you connect to the app. So that's pretty good. Okay guys, as you can see, this thing is scanning. This shows me I'm connecting. This is supposedly how fast I'm going. This is the speed limit in the area. This right here, button right here, is sensitivity.
Sensitivity. Low.
And then
Auto.
And then there's high. Watch this.
Sensitivity. High.
And then this is dimmer.
Dim. Dimmer. Dark. Bright.
And then you got a menu here.
Menu.
How to do okay. I don't know, probably.
Exit menu. Menu. Alert. Settings. X on. X on. K low on. VG2 on. Spectre on. Low car voltage warning on.
That's cool. And we exit menu.
Exit menu.
And then mark is. I don't know what mark is. It's probably to mark speed traps or something. So I'm going to figure that out. And then there's mute. And there's unmuted. That's my voltage right there of the car. So if I do, it reads my volts as well. So this is pretty cool. See higher as soon as I rev the car up. Let me try to get it to
Quiet drive on. Quiet drive off.
So I'm assuming now I can hear stuff. So hopefully I got this all figured out. Okay guys, so a little update on the radar detector. The radar detector works really well. I was driving one time. It's so hard to catch footage, especially when you're trying to not be caught using the phone and everything and have someone else record and try to catch it. But I definitely am impressed with this radar detector, because when I was driving, there was a police car parked. He had his radar turned on. It was a mile away. It lit up, slowed down, and sure enough, there was a police car. So yeah, guys, definitely, I recommend buying this radar detector. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. Go hit the subscribe button. Help me reach 1 million subscribers. That's my goal. And I'll see you next time.
Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004
Turn right on.
This particular package. Driving attempt on the 6 Series.